Welcome everybody, welcome to our live streaming Friday hunt. Yeah, the pre-market was really good today. We have really good action before the market open. Absham, thank you for asking, brother. Yes, we are good. We always good. This one had a bit of fake out here. AUVI. I'm still waiting for AUVI to have a pump here. So NVVE, we're still waiting for a reversal here, guys. First signal for reversal here. This is it. We need to reverse. LAES, we already hunted this one and our pre-market today, guys. It was a good entry for LAES. As we discussed it yesterday, it was a good dip over the $2. Lawrence, you are welcome, brother. You are welcome. Happy to be here, guys. Happy to be here. Good morning, everybody. So as we said, LAES was the last and the best stock yesterday, because yesterday was red day. But of course, there is always opportunity. That's why we have a good entry for this one from the $3 yesterday, and we suggest the bottom after the reversal is over this red box, which is over the 2, and that's why we have another entry for today, everybody, over the $2. Now we're watching a reversal for this one. Right now, what we waiting for? Where's the bulls here? We had the chance to reverse here, but we didn't around this accumulation. Yeah, this is our chance. Now let's see if we reverse here over the right support, the 1444. Really critical, guys. Really critical, this level to hold in order to see a reversal. Otherwise we're gonna go toward the 11, but this would be a weakness if we went there. We need to hold over the 1444 to have a reversal around the 20. AUVI, this one should be a good hunt for today if we broke the current resistance around the $3. I'm watching this one closely. AUVI. AUVI, we might have a break here. Okay, we've got VLCN. Why VLCN is here? But not ready now. Let me just put AUVI. Yes, AUVI looking good now. Okay, this one have a limit as well, just 300 shares. Okay, we're still trying to break. We don't have a breakout yet. Which still trying. Applied UV. Yeah, we're still trying to break. Applied UV. Okay, now we might have our breakout. Yes, sir. We got AUVI and LAES. This one is continue to go down. AERT, BCEL. Let me just check this one. Okay, let's go back to AUVI. Yes, this one is about to break, everybody. Let me just check again the pre-market. If we've got something heading. Yes, this one maybe will be good later. NVVE not good, guys. This one not good now. We should have reversed already. We could have and we should have reversed from this level. Okay, so we've got last support to hold, otherwise we're gonna have a flush, which is the 1164. If we held here, there's a chance for a reversal, double bottom, then break the 20. Let me just check how much we can do for a reversal. Yeah, we can make a huge reversal here, guys. Yeah, huge reversal. But before the reversal, we might have a test there because big seller added there. Let me just check. Yeah, around this level. Yeah, big seller added around that 15. AUVI, we have a breakout. Watch out. AUVI, we have a breakout. So we have an entry for this one around the 294 and now 307. Okay, 307. Yes, we have a nice breakout, guys. AUVI. This one could be a good trade, guys. This one could be a good trade before the market open. We've got a major resistance around the 329. Roma, it was good yesterday. IMPX. Yes, IMPX looking interesting. But IMPX is a bit far from the current resistance. Really far here. I don't know where's the entry for this one is. We have a huge dip, so I'm worried about the entry here. It's a bit worrying. Yeah, if we jumped, we might have the 8 and the 11. Now we're testing a major resistance around the 65. Yeah, we might have a breakout now. Where did you hear that, Lawrence? Where did you hear that ETF crypto stocks possible fraud? Okay, that's why we have a huge selling pressure for crypto stocks. I think because of that news. Because of that news, people think that those stocks are fraud. We'll see. Yeah, IMBX is doing all right. Roma doing all right as well. It's pulling back big time yesterday. Yeah, we pulled back 40%, but this is normal. IMBX, what a crazy volatile breakout here. Yeah, it looked good now. It looked good. IMBX looking good. We have a breakout from the 64. Maybe we've got our entry here. Again, we have a limit, 25k. Yeah, this one looking good here. Let's see. We have a breakout from the 64, guys. Looking good. Bottom for today is the 5 cent. We have support around the 6 cent. We have profit taken around the 8 cent for IMBX. I will keep it up here because it looks really volatile. The news just hit now. This one is pulling back. So I'm gonna adjust the level of resistance there. Course, and I'm gonna put support there around the 284. I'm gonna take this orange line. LAES pulling back, IMBX pulling back. This one, yes, this is it, guys. NVVE, this is it. We should hold right now or reverse. This area is the most important level for this stock to hold. Had the live stuff to do. Okay, we have a major reversal here. MVVE is about to reverse here. Double bottom, this is it. We need to hold here. Current resistance for this stock is 1547. We have a huge selling pressure just in pre-market here. Huge selling pressure. But if there's a chance for a reversal, we should have it now. And at least test the 1547. Okay, IMBX is still holding. We have a breakout here. Now it's pulling back and going up. We've got the 8-cent target now. IMBX 8-cent target. Yeah, IMBX is really active now. Let me just check if we have it on ours. Yes, it's here. 2 million. 2 million in the pre-market alone. And this target would be really much higher. Once the market open, we got something else. We've got another volatility. Once the market open, we've got something else for IMBX. Thank you, Lawrence. Lawrence, if the news about the corruption and the fraud regarding crypto stocks, just watch for the support here for Mara. So Mara is still holding this support. So as long as we hold this support, it means the market maker is still holding the stock, and there's no impact from the news that you heard. Nonsense. So it would be a good idea to buy and buy the fear, because here we're gonna have a reversal after confirmation of the like false news. We're gonna confirm if this false news or right news, just from the technical. If Mara broke this white box, is mean yes, we got panic selling. If we held, is mean perfect for entry for a huge reversal. And this has always happened, brother. When we have fake news, or the short sellers actually put fake news in order to buy cheap price for those stocks, because they know those stocks will double after that, so they want to buy cheap price of these stocks. It happened even for cryptos, you know. Major sell-off, almost 90%, isn't a price squeeze, 200% after. So we have to be, or we learned from past experience, because this has always happened. Panic selling, then we have a reversal. Panic selling, reversal. AUVI, this one I'm still watching for the 329. If we broke the $2.84, is mean not good for today, is mean a flush. Boom. If we held now, we're gonna have a reversal and then try to break the 329. Yes, I think we might have a flush. If we have a flush, I'm gonna close the trade. I'm gonna close the trade AUVI with little loss. I think we entered around 296. IMBX on the other hand is on the money, guys. We already entered for this one. IMBX we entered around the 0.0691, now is around the 71. We have a target around the 8 cent. IMBX target 8 cent. AUVI, I'm watching for this one for reversal. NVVE, guys, holding our support. We should hold here. This is a really good reversal zone for this stock. This is it. We should have a reversal of how much? 20%. Yeah, but watch out. If we broke the support, this means it's not good. This means we're gonna pull back down. AUVI, if we broke the 284, I'm gonna close my trade right now. Now it's still looking good. Still holding. I think I'm gonna close this trade, guys, for applied. Yeah, this one not good here. I think we're gonna break. I'm gonna give it a bit of time, otherwise I'm gonna break. I'm gonna close the trade. If we have 1 minute red candle close below the $2.84 is me not good. Now we still kind of holding. 25% in pre-market. This one could really run, guys. If we held here, we might have a nice reversal. A nice story to tell our kids when they grow up. John, Roma still looking good. There's still the support, nothing changed for Roma. The support $3.40. Resistance is still around the 670. Nothing changed for Roma. Yes, we've got a lowered resistance, I think. Yes. Yeah, this one is kind of dangerous here. We have a huge range between the 3 and 6. Profit taken is almost the $8 and the $10. But we should hold the $3.40. This is the most important support for Roma. A new IPO, guys, a new IPO, dangerous. Let me just check. AUVI holding the last support. Let's see. This would be really tight if we held here, man. It would be really tight if we held here. INBX is still holding. MVVE, guys, is accumulating. Finally, confirmation for a reversal. Watch out. There's a stock about to reverse. MVVE. Nice entry here. Nice entry, guys. 1171. Hallelujah. Reversing. Patience, patience. We reversed. Morning, morning, morning. Yes, Mara holding tightly, guys. Mara holding tightly. As we said, the white box and the big picture. You know, when there's a big storm, always better to go in a big picture, not a smaller picture. Because in the smaller picture, look at this. It's really, really like scary. Scary here. 28% in just one day, guys. 28% from the top. But if we go in a big picture, this is nothing. If we go in a big picture, this is a really small red candle compared to the jump that we did here, guys. Look at this. 200%. This is nothing. Look at this red candle compared to the huge flush or huge pump of buyers. So that's why we suggest to go in a big picture to see what's going on. Even in the 4 hours, there's nothing. You see? We have the same selling pressure here. Same selling pressure. And bigger, I think. Let me just go on a 4 hour. We've got a huge flush here. Almost 34% in the span of 1 week. And here we have another selling pressure. But the most important thing, holding here in the big picture. Over the 19 and 20. If we held, is mean time to load up. Is mean we're gonna go 40, 50, 60. Another jump like this one happened here. Huge poor run. And here just correction, then a huge poor run. 150% for Mara. We expect for this year, if everything went well, and if we held the white box, this will be good. The same with Riot. We have a support right now to hold over the 1234. And the target, for my opinion, for Riot is around the 45. So Riot is really undervalued right now because it's just $14. Yes, just 14. And if you go in a big picture for Mara on the daily, yes, we have a huge pullback here, 95%, and now we just started to reverse. And yes, we expect 250% for this one, because if we go on the weekly, Mara is still undervalued here, and the run started until 2020. We did almost 1,300, and now this is another pump here, and we did almost, let me just check here, 500%. And now we have a bit of a reversal, then we're gonna have another pump. So this is a huge pump since 2020 until 2021, and then we have a pullback from 2021 until 2023, and now we're still in the sideways. So we entered the bullish run since 21, and we're still in bullish run here. This is a correction, and this is a bull run here, and again a correction happened right now. And even if we went toward the $8.60 would be a good entry for double bottom before we're gonna go higher once again. So you see, in the big picture, we're still looking really bullish, guys, really bullish. Let me just take this off, and yes, big picture, we have the 22.22, guys. Whoa, this is the most important level, 22.22 for right. Yeah, 22.22 will be good, or even around $20. Yes, $20 would be good to break to confirm a bullish run. But now is a reversal zone. Yes, we have a reversal zone, of course, here. Yeah, we testing it right now. Today we should have a pullback. Yeah, for all crypto stocks. Look at this. We have a bit of green here. So this is a reversal zone happening at any time right now. We should have it at any time. So yeah, correction zone, guys. Correction. This is normal. This is always happen. So this is the lesson, guys. When we have a turmoil, if we have a storm, you have to go on the top of the airplane and go over the cloud, and there you're gonna see the sun. If you inside the storm, is mean you are down. You have to be on top of a cloud in order to see the storm and in order to see the sun. VLCN is reversing. Yes, nice from the bottom. BCEL started to reverse. Nice. BCEL. Yes, sir. Guys, we have this one as well. Let me just check. Whoa. AUVI. Yeah, AUVI is still holding, guys. Still holding here. Perfect. LAES started holding. IMBX still holding. MVVE reversal, as we said, guys, was a good entry here, guys. Disclaimer, guys, the market is about to open, so remember, our live streaming is a bit delayed, so don't follow me blindly. Do your due diligence and let the price come to you and never run after the price. Let's hunt for today market, guys. AUVI, I might close this trade right now because it's flushing down. Let me just check here. AUVI. AUVI still holding. IMBX, AUVI, MVVE, BCEL, yeah, BCEL, VLCN, IMBX, AUVI still holding. Aha, this one maybe I'm gonna close it with a little loss, guys, if we broke the support, because I entered in the pre-market. Yeah, I entered with small position here around the 294, and it's still holding. Now it's $2. Still holding, guys, still holding. IMBX is still holding. MVVE, guys, not good. Broke the support. So MVVE not good anymore, to be honest. Gonna take it from the list. IMBX, AUVI, I'm just watching. Yeah, BCEL looking good, guys. BCEL looking pretty nice. We have yeah, BCEL or a truss. Where is this one? Yeah, this one looking good. And that one is flashing, I think. AUVI, yes, flashing. Okay, this one I'm gonna take the loss and exit. We entered with small position, so we don't hold, guys. We don't hold here, so it doesn't look good. Okay, this one outside our thinking. Now let's go for that one. This one looking good, guys. BCEL looking pretty nice. We have an entry around the 1866 from yesterday, and now is started to reverse. AUVI, we have a huge wick. Price didn't close below, but I don't like to enter right now, so I'll keep it. I will keep it later for this one if we broke the $3.29. IMBX is pulling back. VLCN, what a nice reversal here. BCEL, if we broke the 25, I'm gonna close the trade. And this one is still holding. Yeah, BCEL, gonna have a trailing stop for this one. Still holding. LAES. VLCN, I'm worried that we're gonna have a rejection right now. Yeah, here we might have a rejection right now. Yes, right now, everybody, so watch out. IMBX, still waiting for the 83 test. CRGE, nice. CRGE, let's go to CRGE, guys. This one looking good. CRGE. Yeah, we entered, I think, in the pre-market for this one around 1160. CRGE, guys, is good to take profit right now. We have an entry around 1160, exactly 1160. Yes, we entered in pre-market here because we saw the dip here, and now is flashing down, so it's time to take a profit before going even further down. Look at that. Yes, exit here and watching for a breakout. There's a big seller, guys, around the 1438. That's why I exited here. So this one was good entry before the market open, guys. Really good entry before the market open, and here was the breakout, the real breakout. And now we'll watch for another take. Another breakout from the 1438 will be good entry. AUVI now is pumping. VLCN not good. You see here we got rejected. Okay, IMBX is still watching it. BCEL is still looking good. BCEL, guys. AUVI. This one have a huge resistance now around the 1438. Roma, yes, still in sideways trading, brother. AUVI, yes, going crazy right now, but I'm not trusting it until we break the $3.29. I don't have trust for this stock yet. AUVI, we have to break the $3.29. Okay, BCEL, I'm really concerned for this trade. I'm concerned with this trade. It's still holding a nice support and breakout. It's still holding. So it's not bad. Wow, CRGE. Maybe we're gonna have an entry here. Yeah, we might have an entry for this dip. Let me just check again. Okay, maybe we're gonna have a dip buying here. Let's check if we're gonna have a breakout or a reversal from this dip. Okay, BCEL, I might close my trade here for BCEL. Yes, 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 time to exit. Time to exit with 27% in gain on this one. And focus on more like LAES, focus on this trade maybe. Or this one. GR or CRGE. Okay, this one looking good. IMBX and this one LAES is still looking good, guys. This one was from yesterday hunt as usual. After we finish our live streaming, we always do a chart analysis update for you guys. So we hunted yesterday. After we finished our live streaming, we did this breakout alert and we took profit around the $3.35. And today in the pre-market, we hunted on this bottom over the 2. So now it's pulling back again toward this support. As long as we hold the support is good, still good. This one we hunted for the bottom right now, guys. We have a really good entry for this one, as you can see around the 12.41. And now it's jumping up once again, and we might have a haltation. CRGE looking good. IMBX, AUVI. This one broke the support, man. So we'll wait for another entry. And AUVI maybe will be good if we broke the current resistance. AUVI. Yeah, we've got a resistance there. CRGE, nice, man. CRGE, we already did 10% from this bottom. CRGE, guys, it's jumping. CRGE. We might have a breakout. IMBX is still AUVI. Man, AUVI, the $3.05, big resistant. And this one went to new bottom. AERT, not good. MDAI started to reverse. NEXI, nice. I'll put it on the list. Yeah, Roma, ARDX, OMGA, nothing. Mulan getting near the bottom, 1170. GameStop. Let me just go here. CRGE, guys. CRGE is about to squeeze here. Nice. We have a pump. Yes, we have a pump. CRGE, guys, squeezing up. CRGE is squeezing to the moon. We have a really good entry for this one around the 1241. Nice hunt, everybody. Nice hunt for this trade. We entered with 8,000 shares. This is the limit that we could open for the stock. And we spotted this one, guys, in the pre-market first, and then we have an exit from the resistance around the 1438. Then we bought the dip on the market open here, guys. We said entry, good buying the dip here around the 1179 over it, and our price average is around the 1241 for this one. I'm still holding this one with 20% in gain, guys. This one is really good. This one is really good. Let me just check LAES. Okay, testing again. IMPX, nothing much. It's kind of chubby trade for IMPX, but I have some little hope for this one to jump if we held over the 5 cent. As we said before, IMPX is dicey here. Okay, let me lower the resistance. So yeah, IMPX, we'll wait for another kick toward 74. Yeah, so IMPX will take a bit of time to reverse here and break this level. AUVI, brother. AUVI is about to squeeze here. Oh, brother. Let me just go to AUVI. Because it look really good now. We might have an entry for this one. Yes, it's about to squeeze here. Oh man, this one have a limit as well, 300. Yes, this one looking good for a breakout from the $3.05. Okay, we could risk a little here before the breakout. It look really good around the $3.05. Yeah, this one look really good. Sometimes I enter after the breakout, but now we'll see. $3.05. BCEL, nothing much. MDAI, guys. Whoa, MDAI. We've got our breakout, man, here. I think really good breakout here. Yeah. Let me just go for MDAI. What a crazy day today, man. What a crazy day today. Let me just check this one. Yes, we have a limit as well for this one. MDAI 42. Okay, let's go to now CRGE. We already entered around the 1241 for this one. CRGE, and it's still pumping, guys. This one could be the top gainer for today. It could be the top gainer. And we've got a really good entry here for this one around the 12, everybody. And again, this one have a limit of 8,000 shares. And yeah, we did 23% in just few minutes. Yeah, let me just check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 minutes. So less than 10 minutes we did 23% on this trade. And still giving. 25 now. It's going toward the 30%. It's going toward the 30%. Yeah, still pumping. 15, 16. This one is going toward the 30%, guys. 27%. Still giving. And it's still going up. 1585 is going toward the 1688, everybody. This one is crazy. 95%. Let me just check. Yeah, we're getting near a huge resistance. I might take profit right now. Then I will enter once again, because we might have a pullback anytime soon. Yeah, 27% here on this trade. 27%. We might have 30% before a huge pullback. Let's check the other one. LAES pulling back. AUVI looking good. So I'll put AUVI and that first. CRGE, AUVI, maybe IMBX, DCEL, MDEI. Yeah, MDEI, we have a flush here. NEXI. So we go back to CRGE. Yeah, maybe I'm gonna take a bit of profit here. Let's check. Let's wait. Let's wait, see what's going on here. Still looking good, guys. But we did a huge pump here. Yeah, 33%. So we might have a pullback. So you know what I'm gonna do here? This one might have a pullback anytime soon because we already did 33%, but we might have another kick before that. AUVI, this one looking good as well, guys, for a breakout from the 305. And this one is kicking. Exactly. We've got 30% right now, 31%. Again, we might have another jump for this one. Hitting the profit taking, guys, hitting the profit taking right now around the 16 and over the profit taking right now. Okay, this one is getting risky now. It's getting risky. After 33%, it's getting risky. Maybe I'm gonna take profit here, guys. Exit with my profit because here we might have a pullback. So I'm exiting right now with 32% and waiting for a pullback, guys. Waiting for a pullback for entry. AUVI already entered for this one, and now we might have a breakout. IMBX dicey. This one is dicey. MDEI not good. You know what? MDEI got fooled by this one, so I'm gonna exit. You know, you have to be detached from many stocks and exit once you have a weakness. You see this one, not good. Didn't respect our level. The reason why, because it's really light on volume, and this wasn't the right breakout, and the breakout is a bit far, around the 4. So MDAI, I'm gonna take it from the list. You know, the most important thing in trading is to be detached from the trade, from money, from everything, and respect your strategy and never overthink. Never overthink. IMBX not good anymore, guys. It's flashing down. LAES the same, is pulling back down, but I'm gonna give it a bit of time. If we broke the $2, yes, would be not good for today. Would be a bit game over. NEXI, I'm gonna take it from the list here. AUVI. So AUVI and CRGE, guys, those the two looking pretty nice. Those the two that looking pretty nice. AUVI, guys, looking good. AUVI right now. Let's go to AUVI. We have a trade, little trade for AUVI, and now it's pumping. $3.12, $3.17, perfect. So we have 5% on this trade. Price average 298. And now we heading toward the 327. So yeah, we have CRGE and AUVI, those two looking good, and maybe BCEL, and the other pulling back. Yeah, this one is still strong, guys. This one's still strong. Okay, Peter Fankman, you wanted to learn how to read charts. Brother, if you want to read is better even than book, join our Patreon on the elite level if you want to learn more and have a Zoom meeting with me. This will be the best way to learn, because I'm going to give you an example about the trade that we did, or even better yet, about you trade that you did that you lost money or you gain money. So we studied them like together, and of course I give you a live example about how to prevent from any bad trade you did before from happening again, at the same time focusing on improving your trade. So here the link, brother, here the link, and of course I'm going to suggest you about books and everything. So it's better to have a meeting with me and we discuss custom made trading portfolio for you, brother. And of course you have to join our Patreon first, then you have access to Discord, and of course book the meeting with me on the elite level. So we have just one level or one spot left on the elite level if you want to join. And of course you have each month a meeting with me. So this is the best way to improve your trading. The best way to improve your trading is to follow your trade each month and see what's will be better for you each month and how you improve each month. So let me know, brother, if you have any question. The link in comment section below. Perfect, guys. CRGE just reverse around our profit taking the 1660. As we suggest, guys, it's overextended. It's overextended. So we entered around this bottom and we exited here with 30% in gain. This is by far the best trade that we took for this year, this month. Yes, the best trade, for my opinion, we took for this month. And you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna add a note. So I will never forget this trade. I will say, okay, I spot this trade before the market opens on the on the 12th of or let me just do it like this, 2024. Pre-market was low on volume. Okay, it didn't spot the breakout in the pre-market. It was clear after market open. Okay, let me just do this. Boom, boom, boom. That, that. Oh man, we have another breakout. We have another breakout. CRGE. This one could be the top gainer for today. Okay, let's see if we have another entry here. Perfect. Now let me just go back. Pumped up, stop, pumped up, then better rejected and resistant at 1438. Okay, so got in on the pullback over 0.1179, and then I write the trade to take a picture, add it. Perfect. So guys, we have another entry for this one. Perfect entry again around the 1740. What else we got here? We have this applied, still holding, and now I'll take this out, this out. This one, guys, is looking really good. AHG is moving. Yes, AHG is moving. Let me just check this one. AHG this is sleeping, not moving, this one. Okay, AUVI and this one, guys. CRGE is the top gainer and the top stock for today, guys. Hands down, this one is the best for today. The rest is history. This is the most sexiest stock in the market right now. Yes, this is a keeper, guys. This stock is a keeper. You know, you don't have to bother yourself about the whole market. When you have one stock like this one, you forget about the other stocks. The same with the girls, you know. If you find one, you should keep her. You forget about the other girls, you know. And this is the harder things, you know, because a lot of people want adrenaline rush, you know. They want the dopamine addiction by switching from one girl to another, you know. That's why a lot of marriages never actually stay long. A lot of divorce, because people need excitement, need a new shiny thing to try. The same with stocks. If you find one stock give you money, stay in it, make money out of it. Stop looking at the other stock, and this is how you start to lose money, because you take profit on this, you go to the other trade go a bit low, then lose money at it, and the other stock that you left continue to go higher. Thank you for the reminder, brother. Oh man, CRGE, man, CRGE. This is the stock for today, man. What a crazy pump, 62%. Imagine 62% just from the market open. What a madness. What a madness. It's still going up. AUVI is still consolidating. Okay, guys, we just have CRGE. The rest is history. The rest is history. Yeah, let me just, yeah, we have the other entry around the 1740. Okay, and it's still pumping, guys. This one is going really crazy up. It's going toward the 24. Vanessa, this one was good from the 1660. I don't suggest anybody to enter right now. It's too much extended. I'm still riding it right now. We already have 17%, 18% on this, 20% on this trade again. It's going 21%. Oh man, we have FOMO. We have FOMO. I think I'm gonna take profit here, guys, because the FOMO start. Now I'm gonna take profit because the retail trader or we feel there's FOMO in this trade. So when the FOMO starts, I'm gonna take profit and exit, because I entered here, guys, around the 1660, and here the resistance, we're gonna have a pullback here. So it's not good to enter right now near the resistance, the 2413. This is where we're gonna have a pullback. Look at that. Now I'm gonna take profit exactly around 30%. Perfect. 30% plus 30%. So for today we have 60% on this trade. And hallelujah. Let me just check here. Yes, I think I'm gonna take profit here, guys, before a huge pullback. I think we have a huge pullback pretty soon. Let me just show you exactly. We have 32%, and we entered around the 1740, and now 2350, and now yes, 24. I'm exit right now. I'm gonna exit right now. I'm gonna exit because it's FOMO. Yeah, 24. Yeah, we're gonna have a pullback right now, guys. We're gonna have a pullback right now. Exiting right now. I'm gonna have a huge pullback, guys. Let me adjust it here. We're gonna have a huge pullback. Huge pullback coming up. Watch out. So I exited from this trade, another 35%, and now we're gonna have a pullback, guys. Huge pullback coming up. 2250 going down. Going down, man. Going down. Exactly 21. Now it's going down, guys. Exactly. Perfect trade. This is going to the history book, guys. This one will go to the history book. Now is going down. As we suggest, guys, enter here, exit there. Enter there, exit there. It was a good trade for this one. CRGE. CRGE, the one that gave us sugar for today. Really good sugar. Anyway, let me just check the other stocks. AUVI, not good. BCEL, not good. LAES, still. So LAES, maybe, because it's still holding, still fighting here. BCEL. Again, this one is a maybe. And this one, yeah, we have to break that level first. We have to break the $3.28. But CRGE, guys, try to break again, but I'm not entering here. No, I'm not entering, guys. I'm not entering. Now I'm not entering. Now I'm just waiting for a pullback to enter. I'm waiting for an entry for a pullback. Otherwise, I'm watching right now. It was really good for today. Good to trade, guys. Two good trade from the bottom to the top. 35. From the bottom to the top. Boom. Guess what? Exactly. Exactly, guys. We took profit exactly around the 24. Look at this. Now it's pulling back. Now, you know what I'm gonna do, guys? Now I'm gonna buy the dip. Let me just show you where I'm gonna buy. Wait a second. This one look really interesting play, guys. This one could give us a lot, but we have to be extremely careful. We traded twice, so the third time will be the final trade for me. I'm gonna close the trade for today because we already have almost 60% on this trade. So I'm waiting for a pullback over the 1688, or breaking right now over the 24 for a quick entry. Let me just check. This one should be a crazy stock. Maybe we're gonna have a quick entry and profit around the 29. Yeah, we might have an entry here, and profit should be around the 29. This one could be 300 pump stock. Maybe we're gonna have an entry again here. Let me just check. Okay. I'm gonna wait 20 seconds. Nope, not ready, guys, not ready. 24, 15 seconds. Not ready yet to break. No, not ready. 8, 7, 6. No, I'm not entering here. No, don't fool me, I will watch. Guys, hit the like button on the way in. Don't forget, hit the like button on the way in. Going live each day. Show some love, everybody. Show some love. Today is Friday, and as a reminder, next week, guys, next week will be a holiday. Next Monday will be holiday, so we have a long weekend ahead. AUVI reverse. This one, try to reverse. Guys, we don't have anything else watching good. NVVE maybe, yeah, maybe, but I don't like it here. Okay, CRGE, man, I wanted to pull back, guys. This one I wanted to pull back toward the 1688. Really, I wanted to pull back here. Let me adjust this one. Yeah, we entered around the 1688 and I exited right at 0.24 and I took another 35% before the price went down. Adjust, perfect. So guys, I suggest anybody who do trade, make sure to journal your trade. This is really important. Finally, we pull back. So this one I almost entered here, but we don't have a confirmation for CRGE, so I'm waiting for a pullback, guys. Perfect entry, guys. So if you just entered or if you just tune in, this stock we hunted before the market open here. We exited right around the 14, then we entered around the 1170 or 1180 on the market open. We ride it until the 1680, we sold, and then we entered again around the $6.88 and we took profit around the 24. This one 3 times, guys, 3 times, and it was the best trade for this week, for my opinion. Really good, because this stock respect our level perfectly. And now we're waiting for a pullback, guys. A pullback or a breakout right now from the 24.39 toward the 29. And this one is 200%. 200% in just one day. MTC looking good. Guys, I can't look for another stock right now because this one is about to do something. Because if I check your stock right now, I will miss this trade. It always happens. When I check the other stock, I miss the top stock for today. The top stock for today is CRGE. This is the top stock for today. The rest is not that good. Yeah. We might have a breakout here. We might have our breakout here. Not yet. Yeah, we've got a support, guys, around the 21.90. If we held it, we'll be good. Yeah. Let me just put this here. Wait a second, let me just try to make yeah, ARDX is breaking. We have a question for MTC, but before that, guys, we have to watch out for this. We have to watch out for CRGE because looking really interesting. AUVI. Okay, ARDX. Let me just check on MTC. ARDX still didn't break. The 933 is the break. MTC, nothing much, is really low on volume. Nothing much happening, guys. The only stock that's doing all right is CRGE, that we hunted 3 times for today. 3 times. And let me just check. Yes, the bottom was here. The first entry or on the market open, exit around the 16. We're waiting for a breakout. It was good. We entered here and we spotted the hidden seller around the 24. That's why we exited, and now we're waiting for another entry. CRGE Friday hunt, 12th of January 2024. This one pumped 200% and pumped just on the market open 100%, and now is preparing for another pump. Is preparing for another pump, everybody. Yeah. Dr. Peter Fankman. Yes, man. One for the textbook for this one. That's why I put it under my textbook, of course. This one, I read it down. I put the journal, as you can see here. I journal it and I put even the picture in order to learn from our trade, good or bad, you know. Good trade or bad trade, we should learn. We should learn from our mistakes. Now, this one, I'm waiting for a pullback, everybody. Where's the pullback? Where's the pullback? Where's the pullback? Pili said NVVE is holding and moving sideways. Yes. This one was a bit of disappointment because I expected a bit of reversal, but the short seller have the last call for on this one. Let's check. MDAI San Carson wasn't good for today. AUVI breakout not ready. The breakout adjusted right now. The real breakout, as we said, for AUVI is been tested on the market open. That's why we didn't break. Again, shout out for our hunters that support our live streaming and support our YouTube channel. Dave, Charles, Sin, everybody have a star next to his name. Thank you in advance, of course. And of course, support and thanks for every Patreon. One of them, John or Elite Hunter. Thank you for the support, brother. And thank you for give us the heads up for mini stocks that pumping. Like last time, John gave us a really good call for Roma, the stock that jumped really big after the IPO. As you can see here, we have a huge pump for this one. First, a huge dump, and I got a request from John here because he's elite, so he can actually ask me a lot of stocks that pumping or dumping, and asked me about Roma, and he said look good. It was really good because I did chart analysis update for him, and I suggest the $3.40 as a support, and from there is history. Roma pumped over and over, and you see the $3.40, it held perfectly. And we did how much after we did this chart analysis update? Almost 100% in just few days. Yes, Roma is crazy. I'm not talking about the city, guys. I'm not talking about the city. This is the stock. It's called Roma, or ROMA, the ticker symbol. Mimo, Emily. Okay, let's check. Emily bring some good call, so I'm not gonna miss this call as well. Thank you, Emily. Thank you, Emily, for give us some calls before even ATXI. It was you, I think you recommend or remind us about the breakout. It was really good hunt. Emily, so this one not that good, still sleeping. Yes, it's jumping 27, but look at this dip. It's really dangerous to enter here. Yeah, maybe the 35. So any price below the 35 is really dangerous to enter. Easily manipulated, easily going down. So I'm not looking for this one. Okay, CRGE is pulling back finally. Thank God. I needed to pull back more, guys. I needed to pull back more toward the 1688 for entry. Now is really dangerous for entry. It's getting near a huge pullback. The short adding for this one. The short is adding for CRGE. Charge Enterprises, engineering and construction. Let me just check the stock. Volume almost 200 million. What a crazy stock that was, man. Yeah, it's pulling back. It's pulling back. This is the website. Building infrastructure to move and connect people. Our vision to be recognized as a leader. The next wave is transportation and connectivity. We become a guide. Okay, it's the same charge point stock. Interesting. Still holding. Still holding. Jax, I think we discussed this one on our pre-market today. Jax, we had a huge pump and dump for this one, and we suggest the 20-cent, brother, to break. Now is not good to trade. The trend is still bearish here. in the big picture, we're still in the bearish zone. Look at this. We're still in bearish zone, brother. So watch out for the break at least over the 15 cents. But the most important level is the 20. So I'm not interested to buy here. This one is a moonshot stock. NVVE is reversing. Yes, NVEE or NVVE. Yes, reversing. Let's see if we have some level. Yeah, it was a big flush, man. Before the market open. Yes, started to reverse. NVE. We've got the 15 test now. Oh man, you know what? You know what? This one, I'm not comfortable entering right now, guys. If we broke now, I'm not comfortable entering. I will be in better position if this one is pulling back down. But after this is not a real pullback. If we pull back around the 16, will be good for entry. But now we might have a fake out. If we broke from this resistance, we might have a fake out. Bad monster Mara. Let me just check. Oh man. Yes, this is dangerous, man. This is dangerous. This is really dangerous. What's going on with Mara and Coinbase? We have a really big short open. This is not normal. 2 days in a row we have a huge flush. This is not normal. Look at that. We have for Riot here, huge pump consolidation, huge pump consolidation, and now we have huge selling pressure, accumulation here, huge buying pressure, and going back down again. So this is really dangerous zone now. After this reversal, we lost all the gain that we did here. That we jumped after the earnings. Yeah, last year. We have a really good run, 100%. And we give it away here. Wow, we pulled back 58% in just few days. Okay, Mara is entering a critical level right now, critical level. We should have a reversal, otherwise we're gonna have a huge pullback down. Let me just show you here. Yeah, we have a huge pullback right now. Yeah, we should have a reversal at any time soon. This is a reversal zone for Mara. Watch out. This is the white line that we should hold. And we should have a wick right now, guys. And this 1 hour, we should have a wick and go back toward the 20. Otherwise, we're going to have a continuation for this flush until the 1450. So this is the bottom for Mara for this year to have a reversal. So if we don't hold the white line, is mean yes, a huge short open for all crypto stocks. And this is will be a signal for a pullback toward the 1450. But today we should have a reversal at the end of the market. We might have a reversal for all crypto stocks from this support, because let me just check even Coinbase. Yes, Coinbase have 130 as a reversal. For Riot, we've got the 870. Or yes, there. Yes, right around the 1144. So we have a near support reversal for all of them, for Riot, Coinbase, and Mara. Those levels should be respected, guys, if we want to have a reversal. Let me just check the market as a whole. Okay, let's check this one. Oh man, are you kidding me? I missed the trade again. You see, once I just take my eyes from the trade and it's gone. Yes, man. I told you guys, once I don't look, the price will go. So it went to our other profit taking just in 2 minutes. Look at this. 2 minutes, we went there. 20 minutes, 20%. We missed 20% on this trade right now. 20%. This is the third one. CRGE Habibi. Oh man, this one is the stock for today. Yo, this one is still pumping. This one is still pumping to the moon. Let me just check where we're gonna go, because it's not stop moving. It's not stop giving. I think we're gonna get shorted there. And the top for today is 42. Then we might have real pullback. Yeah, 42. Yeah, this one is really good trade, guys, for today. MVVE is still pulling back up. LAES, game over here. Take it from the list. BCEL still holding, I think. Yes, exactly. Okay, so CRGE hitting again the profit taking 31.29. So now we have to have a bit of pullback like this one to have another pump. Now it's getting risky every time. You see what I told you guys? When we have a stock like this, we should never take our eyes from the price. This is the best lesson. The best lesson. And I just give you this as example, guys. I know that CRGE will pump, and I know that it will continue to go up. That's why when I went, I'm just giving you an example. The stock went up because we discussed the crypto stocks. And guess what? The price pumped. So the next time, guys, when we have a stock, even if you have a stock to be requested, just take time. It means I can't watch your chat or even switch to another stock. Only watch one stock at a time. Okay, Emily did good on Mimo. Great hunt, Emily. Yeah, now it's time for a pullback. Pullback zone, everybody. Pullback. Okay, time for a cup of tea. Time of a cup of tea. I will come back in 5 minutes, guys. Come back in 5 minutes. Okay, charge again going up. BCAL charge 300%. Okay, it's going now is toward let me just check here. Toward the 42, yes, 42. We have a target toward the 42. Let's see. And the other trade is we have AUVI. Yes, AUVI. This one is a tricky one because we have the $3.28 resistance that we have to break. So this is the good entry. Now is accumulating. BCEL, nothing much. NVVE, nothing much. We have the 15 to break. This one is flushed down. MDEI accumulating after big seller around the 360. And let me just check JAX. Nothing. Okay, this one is, yeah, this one is overextended right now. If you want to enter, guys, make sure to watch for this support here, right around the 31 cents. If we held it, hallelujah, is mean we're gonna have the 42. If we pull back, is mean first sign of weakness for charge, and we're gonna go there around the 24.70. Let me just check here. How everybody doing? You know, guys, I read that watching stand-up comedy or any comedy show after stressful day is really good for your brain and your health and like the way of your thinking. So now I add a section of stand-up comedy each day after I finish trading, in order to hack and get the benefit of laughing and smiling, because sometimes a lot of people taking medication and things like this to relieve stress, but the best relief is to just smile and laugh. So let me know if you have some suggestion for stand-up comedy or something like this to watch after the trade. Would be good. My favorite actually is Louis C.K. If Louis C.K. watching our live streaming, if he just watching or trading with us but is hiding and he never say that, just know, brother, I just really love you, brother. And if you have a free tickets coming up in New York, just save one for me, even if it's not for free. If you come to France, brother, just let me know. Xander, Russell Beaters. Okay, Lee Evans. I think I know this guy. You know what? Why I like Louis C.K. Because he's have like Mexican blood, you know, from South America, and I feel like the people who from South America is really funny, you know, by nature. Let me just check this guy. Lee Evans. I think I know this guy. Yeah, come on. Who doesn't know this guy? I know. Bill Burr. Let me just check. But you know what, man? My comedy is... yeah, I know this guy. Bill, I know this guy. Russell Beaters. But, you know, guys, all of them, they never have this kind of jokes like for Louis C.K. I like him because he targets joke that make people uncomfortable and make himself uncomfortable as well. When you watch Louis C.K. His stand-up comedy, he talk about uncomfortable things, and the situation is really, really kind of weird, It's not normal. It's like usually stand-up comedy, it's like talking about gender or race or, this is kind of normal. But Louis C.K. just talk about really weird things, man. Really weird. Let me just check this one. Yes, I know, Jimmy. Again, I need someone weird, man. I need someone really weird. Okay, Sebastian, I need something I didn't see before. We have Sebastian here. Yeah, I know this guy. Man, everybody just give me the famous ones. I need something I don't know before. Let me just check. I need something. Oh man, Theo, this is really good. I watch his podcast on YouTube. Yes, his podcast is really funny guy. And the first time I know this guy from Joe Rogan. So Theo Phone is really funny. Yes, I agree. I think from this list, I like Theo Van. Yeah, Theo is his nature, He's kind of weird as well. When he talk even normally, he's weird, That's why I like Louis C.K. and Theo, because both of them are weird. They're not normal, Even they just talk about like chicken or something. You find it funny. Yes. Yeah, we have the target 42 guys for charge. Let me just check here. Jim Givers. Okay, this one. Let me just check this one. Okay, I don't know this guy. What's his origin? He's Australian. We have Ralph Barbosa. Oh man. Yo. Guys, this guy. Stang 32. Guy. I just found out this guy, the Mexican guy, Ralph Barbosa. This is the best, man. To be honest, this is the newcomer. And you see what's this have this in common with Louis C.K. Ralph as well. He's weird. He's kind of natural. He's not comedian. He's natural. Like you have Ralph and you have the other guy, Theo Von. Is natural, man. If you see his podcast, when he talk is really funny. Whatever he say is kind of natural. The same with Ralph. That's why I'm only looking for stand-up comedian who actually natural comedian. The other ones, I feel like they're fake it. They're preparing the material, They're preparing too much. For Louis C.K., he's natural. He just talk about chicken, man. Last time he talked about a black guy who follow a chicken, and the chicken want to cross the street. I don't know. It's like the joke is really funny, man. I still remember. Like about the chicken, why the chicken want to cross the street. This one is really funny. Okay, thank you for the suggestion, everybody. Thank you. But yeah, for from this list, I will say Ralph and Theo. Those two are the best here. Let me just check. But the Australian guy, Giveras, I don't know how to spell his name. I'm gonna check this guy out because I never checked this guy. Yes, and to Russell Peters, I really like him, but now I don't know. I feel like he repeats his jokes. It's like he always talk about Indians and race, you know. And his joke is not outside the box thinking. It's not like the other guys. They make you think, you know. And it's, I don't know. I have like stand-up comedy is like food. Sometimes you eat some food, you like it or not. You can't point something, you know. Or like music. Some people like rock music and some people like jazz. It's about, I don't know, everybody has his taste. But my comedy is really dark comedy, natural comedy. Comedy like challenge my thinking. Is not straightforward and not the stream media jokes like race and things like this is kind of overused, you know. I need jokes like about chickens, about, I don't know, aliens, about things like never been used before. Okay, ChargePoint have a bit of problem with charging up. I think the battery, guys, the battery is off for ChargePoint. Okay. Yo, guys, I'm not sexist here, but why all the stand-up comedian or the comedians are guys, not girls? You know, like I checked out like guy, I know this guy. Yeah, I know this guy, Chan. But why? Why girls not funny? Why guys are more funny than girls? There's more guys comedian than girls comedian. To be honest with you guys, I already checked this out, and I checked the girls like last night, and most of them they're not that funny. You know, it's like they try so hard, and I don't know, like there's something missing. So, is there someone can change my mind about girls comedians? Is there anybody can change my mind? Because I tried, but there is nothing. Emily, Mimo. Let me just check Mimo. Okay, rent. AQST, SIDU. Whoa, Mimo is really pumped here. Yes, it's pumped really good. But this trade, man, is kind of really risky. Yeah, it pumped, but I didn't see any entry for it, really. Yes, I didn't see any entry for it. But good hunt, Emily, good hunt. Okay, charge is losing charge, guys. It's losing charge here. We have a pullback finally. Guys, already hear enough lectures from girls. Charge's batteries has exploded. What's up with charge batteries? Every time we have some sector pumping up. Yeah, exploded down, you mean? AUVI. Okay, guys, we have to switch for AUVI because this one could be the one to reverse. Mara started to reverse, guys. Coinbase started to reverse here. So we might have a reversal before the market close today for Mara and the other stocks, like crypto stocks, because they give a lot. Yes, this one is pulling back, and AUVI, I'm still waiting for a reversal. Yeah, so for charge, guys, I have a small position. If we're still holding here, I'm gonna hold, otherwise I'm gonna close the trade. This is the support for today. Otherwise game over. It's really overextended here. Let me just check here. Yeah, this is the top target for today, 42, or resistant. If we want to squeeze once again, we have to break the 42. Otherwise, it's time to pull back around this support. And here we might have a reversal right now. Here is a reversal. We might have a little reversal. Thank you, Emily. Have a nice weekend. Yes, this week we have a long weekend, everybody. We have a long weekend, so as we just wait here. Yes, birthday of Martin Luther King Jr., the 15th of January, next Monday. The market is closed, everybody. So as a reminder, if you live in Europe or Canada or whatever, remember that next Monday, there's no live streaming for next Monday because the market will be closed. AUVI. Yeah, CRGE is pulling back, guys. It's pulling back. It's pulling back down. It's pulling back down. Let's see what we got here for the top gainer list. AUVI, we have this one, MDAI, GRTS, MDAI, WIT. Yes, this one I think uranium. Uranium stock is jumping 12%. Yeah, it was really good reversal here. We reversed in just 3 days 25%. Lunar 7% from the bottom. Top loser for today is SWVL. Of course, finally, look at this. This one was crazy jump, guys. 400%, man. 400% in the span of 2 weeks. 2 weeks. And if you just bought this on the market open this year, you made 400%. Even Warren Buffett will never believe or dream about 400% in 1 year. Yes, as we said, this one not good, guys. Charge is pulling back, so I don't suggest to hold, but now there's a chance for a reversal. As we said, this is the reversal zone over the 24. You see what's happened here? We have a reversal. Remember, guys, this weekend we might have some action for cryptos. We might have some action for cryptos. Check the weekend. We already discussed the crypto on our pre-market alert and pre-market live streaming that we did today. We discussed all the level that we have to watch out for. So if you are on Patreon, on Discord, and just check our live streaming again for the levels that we talk about for our cryptos hunt, because we discuss all the cryptos for entry and exit for them in the pre-market or in the weekend. So if you didn't watch our live streaming, you can re-watch it here on our Discord and Patreon. And of course, you can join our Patreon to have access to this live streaming. And yes, here on Patreon, because you have to join our Patreon first. We have just 3 levels in order to have access to our Discord. And now CRGE reversing exactly from our box here. Nice. Xander, why crypto? Yeah, Bonk looking good, brother, because it reversed 80%. Xander, just from the technical level, brother, we have some coin doing really alright and broken important level of resistance. We might have a continuation for that. Shiba coin is preparing for a breakout as well. So there's something happening just technically, not fundamentally, because the technical always show the signals for squeeze before even the fundamental hit the market. Did you enter on the IPO price? Because I think it got listed on Binance really late. Where did you bought Bonk? Because it was not available on Binance. It wasn't available until lately, after it pumped like almost 1000%. AUVI preparing, guys. AUVI is preparing. AUVI is preparing for a breakout. Yes, 328. We have something here. We've got something here. So you got in late a bit because it was listed really late on the exchanges. I think it was listed before on the Gate.io or the other exchanges, because usually the coins get listed really late on Coinbase and Binance. Especially if your Bonk is got listed really late. I saw just the chart. I just saw the chart is like over 5,000% from the IPO price. After that, it got listed on Binance. And on Binance, I think after that, it pumped 200%. AUVI is preparing. Let me just check the whole market if we've got something moving. Wow, this one broke the support. NEXI got shorted big time, guys. Not good. VLCN the same, got shorted here, but it looks still good here. Yeah, not bad for VLCN. Rent, it looked good. Roma, this one got shorted. Gonna take this support. SWVL still looking interesting. Omega, AQST still looking really good here. AMC and new low, guys, 457. ARDX, I think, is still looking good. I think this is all for today, guys. I think this is it for today. No, not yet. Not yet. I think this is will have the last saying for today. Yes, alert everybody. AUVI want to squeeze here before the market close for today. We might have action. Xander, Pcoin. No, I didn't hear about this one. Okay, what is Pcoin worth? Is about $30 for one coin. Is it real or fake? So Pcoin is kind of like being user can mine Pcoin by completing simple tasks on their smartphone. So Pi network is not yet available to trade on exchanges, so its value is currently speculative. There are some concern that Pcoin is a scam. So it's not clear yet, brother. Watch out. AUVI still want to break. Yeah, we got great question. ELEV, one is the stock that we hunted before. If you remember, guys, it was a really good hunt for us here on our Discord. For our hunters, we entered around the $2.54 before the huge break, and now we got question from TGH. Let me just check this one. Okay, thank you, brother. Really thank you. It is really good right now. It's really good. It's about to break. Yes, it's about to break. Thank you for bringing this up. I forget about it. Really, I forget. I totally forget. I will put it up here. It's about to break. And yes, it look really interesting. With AUVI. Yes, sir. Xander, the story I think the story is a copycat from the beginning of Facebook. Started by two Harvard grad So the guy who started this kind of thing used the Facebook cover as a Pcoin thing, you know. The first thing when he said two guys from Harvard created this coin, the first thing I just remembered the story of Facebook. Exactly the same. You know what I'm gonna do, guys? Each day I'm writing my journal here on the notepad on my MacBook. So I'm gonna use the time because nothing is moving. I'm gonna write my journal right now. I don't know if you write your journal, guys, on your book or on notepad, or you never write anything. For me, I got this idea from John Matthew McConaughey because he suggests everybody to start writing every day, whatever the case be. Like if you're happy or if you're sad, just write your emotion, what's happened in the day. There's no rules. So for me, the rule is just write the date and just talk about the day. If something interesting happened, if not, and if something really really interesting happened, I just put like emoji on the date so I could reread it like after a few months from now or a few years. So it's really time, like something really little, but can change your life to the better, and you might read or write a book after that. You never know. So yeah, it's time to write my journal for today. Not yet, brother. Okay, we've got something here. We tried to break. We trying to break out. Yes, AUVI trying to break. And CRGE is pulling back toward our support. Okay, let me just check again if we got something here. Yes, we have a bit of struggle here to break. A bit of struggle. But the volume is really light for this breakout to happen. So I have a bit of doubt. Remember guys, live streaming pre-market and even on our YouTube. On Monday, there is no live streaming because we have happy birthday for all our brother and sister in the United States, because we have the birthday of Martin Luther King Jr. next Monday. So that's why the Nasdaq, the market, will be closed in the United States. So that's why we're gonna have a long weekend. So stay tuned for update later on our Discord here, because there's always opportunity, guys. Like yesterday, we hunted for LAES from this breakout after we finish our live streaming. So stay tuned for a huge update. If we have a breakout for any stock, don't worry. We're gonna have update, chart analysis update for entry and profit taking for any stock have potential to squeeze before the market close for today. In the time being, thank you for watching, everybody, and see you by the next week, of course, on Tuesday. And stay healthy, stay safe, enjoy the weekend with the family. Stay here, don't think about the future or the past. This is the most important thing to notice, because everything is here. We have everything. Thank you for being here, guys. Thank you for being Hunter, and see you next week, same time, 30 minutes before the market open. Yes, exactly. We have a huge breakout. Oh man, this one is good. Anyway, I'm not gonna get FOMO here. We have to close our live streaming. We'll watch this one later. But yes, we might have a fake out here because the volume is really light on this one. Anyway, thank you everybody for watching. See you later on for the next week, of course. Stay safe. See you later next week.